Hey everyone, today we are talking about the quantum computing, a super cool kind of computing that's all about doing things faster and in a brand new way. But what is quantum computing? Let's find out in a simple terms. Regular computers like one you might have at home work with bits. Think of bits like tiny switches that can be either off or on, or in simple words, true or false. Quantum computers use something called qubit. Imagine if those switches could be both off and on the same time. That means in the same time they have true and also the false. Sounds wide, right? But that's what makes quantum computers super powerful. They can do a lot of calculation all at once. These qubits can do some really neat tricks, allowing quantum computers to solve big problems really fast, much faster than regular computers. Quantum computing cloud changed everything from creating new medicines to making our internet security super strong. It's still new, but it's super exciting to think about what it could do in the future. Quantum computing might sound like it's from a science fiction movie, but it's real and it's happening right now. What do you think about the awesome technology? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe for more cool tech topics. Keep exploring and stay updated. So thank you for watching.